Hi all and welcome to Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Mitered Squares Crochet Cushion. Now this is such a luscious, beautiful piece of fabric. It is in Bernat Velvet. You'll need 4 colors. We used burgundy plum, shadow purple, vapor gray, and smoky violet. But you could pick other colors that coordinate with your living room or bedroom or wherever you're going to put it. You'll need a crochet hook, size K, 10.5 or 6.5 millimeter hook size, or size needed to obtain gauge. You want a sort of a dense fabric because you don't want the pillow form to be peeking through. And of course you will need a pillow form. We used a 20-inch or 51 centimeter square. Now this is, again, it's soft, it's luscious, it's very quick to make, and it is incredibly simple to stitch. So let's take a look at our first motif, and we're going to make just that same one 8 times, and we'll have everything we need to make this fabulous pillow. Okay, the instructions are for 1 motif. We're going to make 8 total, 4 for the front of the pillow and 4 from the back. And this is how they get started. We're going to, with the A color, chain 4, join with slip stitch to first chain to join ring. So there's my ring. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in ring, 1, 2. Chain 2, 1, 2. So we're going to do that 4 times. So it was 2 single crochet in ring, chain 2, 4 times. So that was 1, that was 2, 3, 4, 'Join with slip stitch to first single crochet, which is way over here, fasten off. Then it says join B in first, chain 2 space. So it would be 1 single, 1 single. My chain 2 is over here. So let me join B. This yarn is nice and it doesn't shed except on the cut ends. The cut ends are a little fuzzy, so if you find fuzz, don't panic. It's just coming off the cut edge. All right, we're going to put it, there we go, join B. Now, it says continue working in rows and proceed in stripe pattern along 2 edges of motif as follows. So the stripe pattern is here, 1 and 2 with B, 3 and 4 with C, 5 and 6 with D, 7, 8 with A, 9 and 10 with B, 11 and 12 with C, 13, 14 D, 15 to 22, repeat rows 7 to 14. So you have to keep the stitch pattern going in the order in which it belongs, but you also have to keep the colors going in the order in which they belong. All right? So let's take a look at the first row. With B, which I've already joined, chain 1. Let's get that off camera because it's annoying. All right, chain 1. Single crochet in same chain 2 spaces, join. Single crochet in each of next 2 single crochet, so that's 2 guys in the row here. 1, 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in next chain 2 space, which I have to find. There we go. So single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet in that chain 2 space. Now that's going to be the corner from here on out. I think it's pretty easy to see, but it's up to you if you want to mark the corner just to remind you where it is, but I think it's going to be pretty obvious pretty quickly that that's the corner. So that's entirely up to you. Single crochet in each of next 2 singles. 1, 2, single crochet in next chain 2 space, turn. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. Now we're going to turn the work. We're on the second row. Chain 1, single crochet in each single crochet to corner space. So single crochet in each single crochet to corner space. Here's our corner space. 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in that corner chain 2 space. Right, there's our corner. Single crochet in each single crochet to end of row. Now we're going to break B and join C, and when we add a new color, we make the last yarn over of the last stitch of the old color with the new color. So I'm going to grab my C color right here, and I'm going to pull up a fold, 4 or 5 inches in from the end. I'm not going to tie a knot or anything because I do not like knots in crochet, but I'm going to finish that last single with the new color. And it says I can break B. You'll notice I'm leaving nice long ends. I want to have something to weave in later. I don't want to be fiddling around later trying to weave in ends and they're too short. Okay, so now it says keeping the continuity of the stripe pattern, repeat second row 21 times more, ending with a row of A and fasten off. So all we're going to do is this row over and over, but we're going to remember to change colors every 2 rows. Now these stitches on the ends look kind of loose because I didn't knot anything together. When I weave in my ends, I'm going to tighten that all up. So we're going to single crochet in each stitch across till we get to that corner chain 2 space. And then single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the corner. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, so you can see the rows are building up. So that was 1 row in that color. So I'm going to do my second row of that color, and then I'm going to change to the new color at the end of this row. I want you to notice how quickly this is working up, which is very cool. And the fabric, oh, so lush. Okay, we're at the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, single crochet in each one to the end. One little thing to have in your brain as you're stitching along is you will have the same number of stitches before the corner as you will have after the corner. It will be the same, the corner is exactly in the middle. So that's something to think about while you're stitching. Make sure you don't go wrong while you're answering the phone or feeding the kids or watching TV or whatever it is that you're going to do. And then I'm going to join my decolor as soon as I find the end, which is in my giant pile of work here. There it is. Once again, just going to pull up a fold, finish that last single crochet in the old color. And once again, they look a little loose, but I will tighten up when I'm weaving in ends, and I will also break each color when I'm done with it. So you'll notice the rows are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But that is all there is to it. Single crochet across to the corner. Now, what's cool about this, if you wanted to make a smaller pillow than what we did, you could do fewer rows. Just make sure you did the same rows on each one of the motifs. And if you wanted to make a bigger pillow, say you wanted to make a floor pillow or something crazy like that, you could just keep doing more rows. The pattern will work no matter what size pillow is your end result. I could also see making a matching throw out of these squares. I just can't get over how thick and luscious this fabric is. Whoops, got caught there at the end. All right, so there we are. We started over here and we're building up and out. Let's take a look real quick at the second page. So this is what we're doing. And then when those motifs are finished, you're going to orient them so that the angles face the direction that they're facing in this illustration. You're going to seam up here. You're going to seam over here. You're going to do that twice. So once for the front of the pillow and once for the back of the pillow. And then all you're going to do with wrong sides facing each other, join B with slip stitch to any corner of the cushion, working through both thicknesses, single crochet evenly around 3 sides of the cushion, making sure to put 3 single crochet in each corner because that helps it lay flat, and insert the pillow when your 3 sides are done, because you're going to need room to put that pillow form in there. Complete your round of single crochet, join with slip stitch to first single crochet, and fasten off, and you are done. So this is a really fun project. It's going to go very, very quickly. And while I think these colors that we chose are luscious, there's other colors you can choose. So this will be a great little project for you to have in your bag of tricks. So thank you so much for joining us here for the Mitered Squares Crochet Cushion. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny crafts. Bye-bye.